It's okay. Don't. You're not in there yet. Vida. I forgot. I should have gotten her like little shoes under there, so it won't scrape her feet. Vida. She's going there. Natalie. Hey guys. That's good for swimming though. Oh, that's true. That's 1.5, right? Tell me when you're going to go in. Hey, girls.
Do you want me to bring them closer?
They're good. It looks peaceful.
They're just relaxing.
I think Vida got the hang of it now. Natalie, what you looking for? What is she looking for?
I think she sees the water in her area. Or she might see her swimsuit.
The reflection. Come on, Mama. Good job. Okay, I'm losing Natalie. I'm going to move this way so you can get her. All right, I can go this way. Vida. Vida. Okay, tell me whenever.
What?
Vida. Okay, you're good? Alright. I got him. Now I have to go back.
Look at her, yeah? She got it. Where's she going?
I don't know. Come here, Mama. I could push her.
I love you.
Now I have to go back and forth.
Natalie, where are you going?
You're not in there. They're both going over there. Okay, I'm gonna stop.